Let's have a close look at this indoor and outdoor thermometer with a built-in humidity sensor. First, let's see what comes in the box. You get a manual, the receiver that is about the size of a slice of bread, and you get the outdoor transmitter. The receiver can connect to 3 transmitters, which means you can monitor up to multiple areas like your basement or root cellar if you like. The transmitter should be placed out of direct sunlight and away from fans. I mounted mine near the entrance of my home, high enough to keep it out of the reach of the kids, but still low enough that I can grab it when I need to change the battery. And with a range of 330 feet, this system works well for most homes up to 2,000 square feet. You can mount the transmitter anywhere on the outside of your home, and it will still communicate with the receiver just fine. The display can show temperatures in either Celsius or Fahrenheit. Now, by default, it starts in Fahrenheit, but if you prefer Celsius, just press the index button once after you insert the batteries while the display is flashing. After a few seconds, it will switch over automatically. One of my favorite features is the ability to display not just temperature and humidity, but also the heat index. Now, by default, it shows the mold prediction, but you can easily switch to the heat index by pressing the index button on the back. And if you found this information helpful, please hit the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.